Well, I'm not saying that there's going to be a problem tomorrow. I'm saying that there are problems out there. And there was, the wonderful quote by Winston Churchill. He said that Americans always choose the right solution in the end after exhausting all the others. So I think that ultimately, I'm optimistic enough to know that it will work out. But the Federal Reserve has got to come up with some sort of plan about what it's going to do with its balance sheet. And I think that's the critical thing. The Federal Reserve has to play a role in the sovereign debt market, in the Treasury market, in the longer term. It's too important to ignore. I think ultimately Scott Besson is a bright guy. He knows how the world works, particularly the financial world, and I'm sure he will steer a solid path. I'm optimistic in that regard, and I think that, as I said, maybe right at the beginning, in terms of risk-off moves, only 8 to 9% of all asset allocations since 1978 have been more extreme in terms of bearish positioning than we've seen right now. So on an 18-month view, it's got to make sense to be putting money into markets